Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel. What if I tell you that 1 minute of your time can make someone's career? Simply by watching this video, you have helped someone get free education. Social media is a powerful tool, and if used correctly, together we can help many students have good education, good career, and a good life. I am on a mission to provide free education through my channel. Come and join me to make a positive change in the society. So let us draw this cartoon, and it's a very simple box cartoon which has curved edges. So we drew the four lines and created the curves. Not really worried about the smoothness right now because we can achieve that when we start the inking. So the cartoon has small legs and belly, and then we will draw the hands. Just enjoy you putting the pencil on the paper and keep creating drawings, and eventually you will get good at it. So when people say I cannot draw, I don't understand what that means, because when you're drawing, you're simply putting the pencil onto the paper and get forms. And if you look at a cartoon and try to recreate it, then you already know what you're doing. And if you keep repeating the process many times, then through your muscle memory, you will be able to create your own cartoons. Okay? Because you learn how the eyes work, you know how the mouth works, how the body parts work. Then you can put it all together and create your own artwork. So this was a very simple doodle, and once it is complete, I think it is very satisfying to see your artwork looking cool. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope you are trying to learn as you see this video and improve your sketching as you go. So I'll be uploading one video every day, so you'll have the opportunity to follow with me and get better at what you do. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel.